I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology. And today I'm going to teach you 3 different ways to shorten nails to save you time before you do a nail fill. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining me again. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to shorten nails. Now, when a client comes in and they only have 2 weeks worth of nail growth, it's very simple to just use a hand file. I'm using my 150 grit Meticulous Manicurist file, and it's usually only 7 strokes to shorten 2 weeks worth of growth off. So you try each one and you decide with your timing which one is best for you. I'm going to shorten the first one with the hand file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is about 2 weeks worth of growth. And how do I know? Well, I've been filing nails for 25 years, and that is the magic number that I have landed on. Now, the second way, if they have more than 2 weeks of growth that you want to remove, is to use your electric file. So I'm going to switch bits. You can use any number of bits. I like to use fine bits because there's less vibration. I'm going to put my machine on about right in the center. Turn it on. Always balance with your pinky. And I'm going to take off just a little bit more than a 2 week worth of growth. Sometimes clients come in and say, my nails were just perfect last time, but I've got to go a little bit longer and I don't want them to get too long, so take off a little bit more. And then I take it and file off that tiny bit. It'll get like pushed underneath. Now the third way is to use a tip cutter. Now I have these in 2 colors on my store, pink and silver. And when you use a tip cutter, you insert the nail into it, pull, squeeze the blade so it's in contact, and then squeeze super slow. If you don't go super slow, it'll crack the acrylic going backwards, and then you might have to end up doing more of a nail repair. So if I'm going to use my tip cutters, I'll take off just about 2 weeks of growth because sometimes you don't cut it straight. Like I had my hand tipped sideways, so that went a little bit crooked. But now I can use my hand file to even that out. Now, 2-3 weeks ago, this area of the nail was scooted backwards, so it's a little bit wider than I want it to start angling inward to have a more tapered feminine look. So I am actually going to taper that in right there. Now, after you use your electric file, you actually can also use it to take this corner off here and this corner off here. I find it just as fast to use my hand file. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications in case your comment is chosen as the winner in my random comment game. I would also love to hear any topics you would like me to tackle in an upcoming video. And then when nails do start to grow, sometimes they will start to curve down, so you want to take that little arch. See how it starts to angle down a little bit? Take that off the side so it stays nice and straight. And I'll even these up before I fill them in. Because I've been doing a lot of typing, I need them really short. I need them like this today. All right. Hope you guys learned which method you're going to try next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.